So let's check our problem here. We have this beam and we want to check the stability and the determinacy of this beam. First step, as always, we will start by calculating the number of reactions we have. Here we have a fixed support, which means it has 3 reactions: a vertical force, horizontal force, and moment. Here we have a hinged support, which means it has 2 reactions, horizontal and vertical. Here we have a roller, which means it has only 1 reaction, which is vertical force. So this means that R, which is the number of reactions, equals 6. 3 plus 2 plus 1. The second step, we want to calculate the number of conditions. Here we have only 1 intermediate hinge, so C equals 1, which is the number of conditions. After that, we want to calculate Q, and we know that Q equals 3 plus C, so Q will equal 3 plus 1 equals 4, and we have R, which equals 6, so this means that R is bigger than Q. This means that our beam is stable and indeterminate of the second degree because R is bigger than Q with 2. So this is the answer, which is stable and indeterminate of the second degree.